These fish are hitting mice tails today. Caught all these fuckers in like 20 minutes. And I wanted to catch the last one on a spoon, but only got one bite on a spoon so far. Might just toss this mice tail back out, get some action. They're eating these mice tails instantly. I don't even have the head left on this one, but it shouldn't matter. Get right back to where they are. I'll set this here for just a few minutes. It's gonna get hit. Go back to fishing on my mice tail. I mean, not my tail, baby. Oh, fish on the reel end. Oh, that's a nice little one too. Well, I ain't got this mice tail for nothing. He hit the half of one. Pull and drag. Oh, did he pop off? He popped off. That's all right. Get to hang out for 20 minutes, maybe another 5-10 minutes. Take this off, put on the full one. Oh, this bent hook, his hook is bent. Might be why I'm losing bites now, huh? Caught all 4 of those fish. I swapped the hook every time. Hook would just pop off in their mouth. I'd put a new hook on, new mice tail, and another bite within 5 minutes. It's the second one we missed. This is bite number 9. We got 7 of them so far. I sent 2 back. A little Fishing Bro sauce, corn sauce. Nice little red color this year. I think that's what they're tearing up so much. Once I get some sauce on there, I'll get hit instantly. Try not to fall in the lake. Almost don't even have to put the bobber on. The first two I couldn't even put the bobber on. I was already getting hit. Watch out, bud. I'll put the bobber on so you guys can see. Right back in the hot spot. Getting tore up over here all day. Oh, that was a lightning that jumped over there. That was a big fish. That looked like a lightning. They're here. So once you turn the camera on, the vise I want to slow down now. Got that last one on the retrieve. Let me cast over where that big fish was. All right, last cast. Time to smoke a couple bowls before this last bite. Didn't even get the chance to spark up yet. Pulling out the old bubbler. I haven't smoked out this thing in years. I just didn't want to roll up today. Got no friends to fish with, so I'm talking to myself. Let me fix that. Is that it? Look at that, right when I go to cast my spoon. Let's get this spoon in first. Let's make sure he took that shit. Looks like he popped off already, maybe. No, he's on there. He's on there. Let's get this bobber. He's swimming into us. We got 9 minutes, 10 minutes. Where's he at? Is he still on? Oh, I don't think he's on anymore. Oh yeah, he is. He's on. Here we go. Oh, jumper. Another little guy. We'll keep this one though. We'll get out of here. That's bite 8 or number 9. 8 or 9. I missed 2 of them. I tossed what, 2 back. Yeah, this is bite number 9 right here. This is the 5th fish. Time to go home. Oh, buddy, it's time to go home. Oh, whenever he's done fighting, maybe. Look at that on the dock runner. Catching limits with the dock runner. My net's full. Pops off, I'll let him go. I like to keep fishing. No, he swallowed that. He's coming home. Hold on. Back up. I got it to pop off. Got him back in the water. He swam off. We'll hang out for one more. Hang out and get one more. Still gotta bleed these guys out anyways. Gordo, back up. Go. Gordo, go. Look at that, another bite already, or did I kick it? I think I kicked it. There goes another bite. Here we go. Get this spoon in real quick. He's still on. He's on. Bobber real quick. Ooh, it's a good one. Let's see how How big is he? I want a lightning. Come on. Is the rainbow? Get a good one, boss. Get a good one, boss. Another little blinker. That's the last one, but ain't all that big. Let's see if we can give you the PLV over her.